What does this say?
My best handwriting, I think this is my best handwriting because it has good letter formation.
I love watching Jace when he tells me exactly what he's learning and sharing things that are his favorite, because then I can ask him about those things at home.
I watch the clock so I know when to leave.
I think it's awesome because I feel like it empowers my child to take ownership about what he's learning and be able to express it and tell about what he's learning in the classroom.
StudentLed conferences is an opportunity for our students to share their goals and their successes with their parents. A lot of times, we ask our kids, what'd you do in school today? And you get nothing, I don't know, nothing, And this is a chance for the parents to actually see what we're doing and get those questions answered.
How do you think you've improved in that?
Probably just by adding more details and adding just the length of it.
This really left me feeling in awe at what she's able and capable of doing, and just how she was progressing in her academics, and just seeing her take pride in explaining to me everything she's done this school year. So that's made me very happy.
I liked it a lot because I can actually explain it to her so that she understands it. I can explain it because it's my work and I kind of know what I know about the work I do.
I like when I show her the stuff and I tell her about it and I show her what it's about, like the math, it was the pockets and the cards.
I love watching his conference because it's showing me where he's going, what he's actually able to do. I've been surprised even just watching his reading grow at home this year, but coming and seeing how he's actually doing in the classroom, I'm able to see that those things are happening in the classroom also, and that he's continuing to grow and he's learning a lot. So he's sharing that with me, and it's exciting to see that he knows exactly how to write things perfectly, and his vocabulary that he's learning even in a math journal or a reading journal, is transposing to when he's reading me a book at home.
In a traditional conference, it would be one-on-one, me with the parent and sometimes the student. We would go over the report card, whereas student-led, you might have a couple different families in here at the same time. And the student is really leading the conference and the teacher is more in the backdrop as a reference.
I feel like it's great because not only am I learning more about what he's doing in the classroom, but that will help bring up conversations at home as well. I know you're learning about this, and I just think it's real important to talk about what he is learning in the classroom every day and be able to get those conversations going.
With the student-led ones, she's taking ownership for her learning. She's able to communicate to me what she's doing, how she's doing, what she needs help in. And if I have any further questions for the teacher or need more assistance in a certain area, I can go to the teacher as well. So it's the best of both worlds.